Okay, this next one, again, it said compounded, so the next place we look is the word next to it. Now it says quarterly, which means there's an N involved. The only time you can use that other formula, the P to the E, RT, is when it says continuously. It has to say continuously in order for you to use this function. This one does not, which means it's the other one, and the new variable is N. If you look down your list, it says that when it says quarterly, N equals 4. So our function going to look like this. A equals P 1 plus R divided by N to the N times T power. So again, we need P, we need R, T, and then N is the other number we have to plug in, which is 4. So reading through the problem, there's a number, there's a number, there's a number. 12,000 is a dollar amount, which means it's got to be this initial investment or starting amount. R is always the percent, so 4.25%. Do not, especially with these, it already has a decimal in it. People think you don't have to change it to a decimal by turning this two spots to the left. You do. You still have to move it over, and it should be a number less than 1. Your percentage, when you convert it to a decimal, it should be a number less than 1. Keep that in mind. All right, T equals 20. So we're going to plug everything in. A equals P 1 plus R, which was 0.0425, divided by N, which was 4. And then up here in the power is N times T, which is 20. Okay, plug it into the calculator. 12000 parentheses 1 plus 0.0425 divided by button. Okay, and then do the caret, the power button, parentheses for the multiply button, and 20, which is about, okay, that is $27,950.16. It's a nice little chunk, right? Took 20 years, but all right, next one. Again, compounded was the word in it, so we know we can go to those one formulas. It says continuously afterwards, which means we'll use the PERT formula. So continuously, E to the RT, 3 things, P, R, and T. Circle the numbers. 2.6%, that's going to be our R. Do not forget, change it to a decimal. Oops, that's not a 6. That's a 6. P is going to be the 1600, and T, it says 4 years, so T is 4. Right, P equals 16,000. I mean, A equals, what in the world? Cuckoo, for Cocoa Puffs. E in the power 0.046 times 4. Right, in the calculator, that becomes, what I get is 1,923 and 23 cents. All right. Now remember, this one did not say compounded, so we've got to go back to our exponential growth or decay formulas. First, we need to find if it's growth or decay. So you look for some keywords, something that either says that it's going up or something that it's going down. Now, if I read through here, I see this word right here, increase, which tells me it's growth. So let's start there. It's going to be a growth function. So the basic for that one looks like this. 1 plus r, and then the t power. So we need a, r, and t. A, r, and t. Okay, reading through it, blah, 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 money, percent, years. Okay, this time the little a is your initial amount. That's that money right there, so 75,000. Percent says 4%. We convert that to a decimal, it's 0.04. Then our time is 3 years, and then we plug it into our formula. So y equals 75,000, parentheses, 1 plus 0.04, and that's to the 3 power. Okay, that's 75,000, 1.04 to the 3, which is about, okay, it looks like 84,364. I hope all my dollars amounts are correct. I shouldn't have taken the multiple choice answers out. All right, this next one, it does not say compounded, so we got to look for the other keywords. Something that either says it's increasing or decreasing. So you bought a desktop, blah, 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 expected to depreciate. That means decay. We talked about that word specifically. Depreciate means the same thing as decay. Okay, reading through, getting some values. $3,000, 10%, 4 years. Okay, the decay function, whoops, not a, it's not compounded. Y equals a times 1 minus r to the t. So we need little a, little r, little t. Dollar amount 3,000, that has to be the initial. 4 years, that's the time. 10%, which is 0.10 as a decimal. So we've got y equals 3,000, 1 plus 0.10 to the 4. 3,000. Oh, whoopsie, I put a plus in there. It's not plus, it's decay. 1 minus 0.10, which is 0.90 to the 4th. That's approximately, okay, I got 1,968.30 cents. Okay, that's the end of the Unit 1 review. There was a few videos, but that's okay because I wanted to take my time and explain each question. Good luck.